In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your QuickBooks Online sign-in email address. First, make sure you're signed into your QuickBooks Online account using your current email and password. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. This might be your initials, a small profile picture, or a generic user icon, depending on how your account is set up. Click on that profile icon. A small menu will appear, and from that menu, choose the option that says Manage Your Intuit Account. This will open up the Intuit Account Manager in a new tab or window. Give it a second to load and make sure you're seeing your account details rather than your company books. That tells you you're in the right place. Inside the Intuit Account Manager, look for the section or tab labeled Sign In and Security. This is where Intuit stores all of your login-related settings, like your email, user ID, and password. Go ahead and click on Sign In and Security. On this page, find the area that refers to your email address or user ID. The exact label might vary slightly, but it will clearly show the email you currently use to sign in. Next to that, you should see an option to edit or update it. Click that to begin making your change. Now, you'll see a field with your current sign-in email. Carefully delete the old email and type in the new email address you want to use from now on. Double-check for typos because this email will be used for both signing in and receiving important notifications. It's a good idea to choose an email you check regularly and that you have full access to. Once you're confident the new email address is correct, click the Save button. After you save, Intuit will send a verification message to that new email address. This is a security step to confirm that you really own the new email and that no one else is trying to change your account details without permission. Open your email inbox, find the message from Intuit, and click the verification link inside. When that link opens and confirms your change, your new email address is officially linked to your QuickBooks Online sign-in. From this point on, you'll use that new email whenever you log into your account.